Zeus messing with you, Lancelot? Is he, boy? Is he messing with you? Is he messing with you, boy? But now they're not going to do nothing. I'm sitting here trying to record. Hey. Listen here, boy. You boys still stink. Why are you guys still in rut? It's like spring. You shouldn't be in rut no more. No, you should have. But you are. I think they're both about the same height. You grew some, didn't you, Lancelot? You grew a little taller. Yes, you did, boy. Huh? Yes. I'm just a sweet boy. So is Zeus. Careful, he's gonna get you. Yes, he is. He's gonna get you. Zeus. There's the pregnant mare. I'll just go and like check everybody else out, I guess. We got Miss Meg here. Bay roan. And my gorilla mare, Diamond. And we got Mr. Captain right here. He left his grain too. Yeah, he did. I'm about 2 feet away from the corral panels. It's okay, Captain. I'm right here, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm right here. Can we get a good video of you, huh, boy? You'll be okay with me standing right here? I'm about 5 feet from him. Captain. He's starting to fill out. He's going to be a big boy once he's got all his weight on. I'd say he's probably about 300 pounds underweight, maybe. He's put on probably 20 pounds since he's been here. And he is missing his left eye right there. That eye is gone. And then he's missing the tip of his right ear right there, as you can see. He's a pretty boy. Yeah, he is. Devil Gardens gelding. He's our oldest, 12-year-old. Diamond's Antelope Valley. And she's 6. Coming 6. Meg is 3. And then you got Mr. Hercules here, who is a 6-year-old. Oh, I forgot. He's from, Meg's from Lost Creek, Wyoming. And then Mr. Hercules here is from Maverick Medicine. Right, Hercules? Yeah. Say he's doing better on his foot. He's putting a lot more pressure on it. We're not treating it no more, so that's good. I just got my notification and a call from the Wisconsin Wild Mustang and Burro that we are going to pick up our tip Mustangs on May 15th. We got to figure out a place to put them, and we got to buy panels to be able to put them in. So thank you everybody for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. And we'll see everybody tomorrow. Till next time. God bless.